sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time and I need you around, darling. So
Christmas, December 2022.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
This is Christmas 2022, and we're getting ready to open up gifts. We're opening up our gifts early. Christmas came early because we leave in 2 days. Where we going, y'all?
To the cruise!
We're going on a cruise. Say we're going on a cruise. So y'all gonna be seeing this on Christmas. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to all. I hope your Christmas is going amazing. Your whole holiday, you have a Happy New Year, all of that. But let's go ahead and get into opening up these gifts. Y'all ready, girls?
Yes. Did you start getting one?
Yeah. Oh, smell some. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is that, baby?
It's like that. Wow.
What is that?
Cat.
A cat?
A pie.
You got your
Oh, a baby.
A baby dog. That's not a baby dog.
what you got?
Oh, she said cat because Hello Kitty. You like that? Yeah, look at yours. Sky, her hair is your favorite color.
Okay.
You like that, Sky?
Yeah.
Somebody said she loved it.
I'm gonna open the biggest.
Yeah, baby.
That's Summer. I mean, that's Skylar's.
Oh, I'm gonna open this.
This is yours. You have so much emotion, so I love it. What you have, Sky? You say you ordered some diapers.
Wow!
That's a bingo game, baby. We can play bingo.
Yeah, bingo game.
Who's that? Yours? Summer, this is yours.
Wow! It's a baby.
Summer, Sky, what is that?
Baby.
What game is that?
You know what game that is?
I never go. Oh yeah.
What?
Roblox.
Yeah, you can connect it to your Roblox game and you can play with those people. That's cool, right? You like that? Are you surprised? Whose is that? Yours?
Yeah.
What is that, Summer? You know you love your sand. You got a whole big box of sand.
Wow. Big.
I think this is the first year Summer has like gripped by herself.
Wow.
What is that, Sky?
A party.
It's for your baby. It's for this dog. So we should go to the doctor.
What, Daddy?
Ew.
You and you and Summer can play with that.
It goes down.
Oh.
I'll pick this and go in. Which one is mine?
Which one is yours?
Someone said you can see what that is.
This is yours. Yes, this is yours and this is yours. You can leave it right there, baby. I'll put it in a pile.
How do you open this?
Summer, what kind of puzzle is that? What kind of animal? Look on the other side. What are those? Dinosaurs. Sky, you remember you told me you wanted that sweater? What about the baby clothes? You see the baby clothes?
No.
Why are you trying to act shy? Summer, open that one and then you gotta open the big one.
What's the big one?
Right there.
I like.
You like it? Pull out everything.
We got a best reaction.
Right. Alright, Summer, this is the last one. Before you open your clothes up. Let's see what I can't wait to see this reaction.
Let me see what your clothes.
There's something for both of you guys. Like both of y'all can use it.
Open it. Open it.
Open it. It's for both of y'all. Open it. Have her open it.
No, I got it.
She's gonna help you. Look.
What? No.
So you gonna lie, you don't know what it is.
See it.
Yeah, Summer, what is it?
And that's singing.
Yeah, my baby know what it
She says a singing thing.
is. Summer, you got a microphone so you can sing.
She got karaoke machine.
It's a new microphone.
Yeah, cause your other one don't work no more.
Summer, you gotta sing.
What song you gonna sing?
I'm just.
What's your song you made up? That song you was like, I love it so much. Are you gonna sing that? Let me hear you sing it.
My daddy used the bed.
Hey.
She's shaking him.
Hey.
All
You like that, Summer? Summer put that right on her side.
Alright.
Alright, get your bag, Summer. Get all your stuff out your
You
bag.
look at all your clothes? Yeah.
You gotta look at your stuff. Look, you got a baby outfit right there.
day.
Summer, that's Summer's baby outfit. New princess shoes.
You like them heels, girl?
Look at you like it? They get ready for them on.
Sky, you look at. They don't want to see some of your clothes.
Look at Summer. Summer trying to put them on. Alright, you wanna open your stocking, son?
By default, you gotta be the
That's
favorite
your
only one.
stocking. Okay, we gotta tell who. You gonna open yours?
Yeah, Skylar, Uncle Mike your favorite uncle?
Who? Okay, so who shopped for Skylar? I did. I had your name. Summer, who shopped for you?
Daddy.
How you know?
I ain't saying that.
Because I just know. So Daddy had your name. So who had my name?
I
You had my name, so you shopped for me?
Yeah.
I cannot wait to see. And who shopped for Daddy?
did.
What you got me, son?
Well, you got me, Mommy.
So yeah, we did Secret Santa where I had Skylar's name. Skylar had my name. Sean had Summer name and Summer had Sean name. But we like plucked it. Ooh.
Oh, so you got the charger?
You got a new necklace. Yours. And a bracelet. You like that? Yeah.
Yes, me and Mommy got it.
Yeah. Okay. I know he was going to say that. Roman, this your stocking, right?
Brother kind of upset right now.
I know. I told him that. See this right there.
Summer, did you get everything in your stocking?
Yeah.
Sure. No, it's over here, Summer. There's still something in there. You said
One more
what?
thing. I opened my gift from you.
Yeah!
All right, let's see what mommy got.
I'm a little nervous.
You're a little nervous.
Yeah. I don't know if you know how to shop for me.
You go. Open it up. I'm gonna open your red.
Okay.
So, what's your favorite gift? So, which one is pointing?
Okay, what is
Point it out.
this?
Which one's your favorite?
Ooh! Oh snap!
Your mama, she your favorite?
I can go get my nails done.
Man, I just got you more stuff at that price.
What she say?
Your mama, she your favorite.
Yeah, she really been asking for this joint.
Some-
Ooh! Sky, you pick this out. Did Sky pick this out?
That's the one I picked out. Sky picked the other one out. Sky picked the other
And
one.
we got your favorite kind of lemon. You got your lemon,
Ah, you got me a lemon sheet.
no, it's a lemon face.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I don't know what that is.
Ooh.
That's my favorite song.
How did you know like that I have this? Did you know that?
No.
For real?
You have that?
Like I just ran out. Yeah.
Really?
I got a little sample. Of this.
See, I put that one out.
Oh, that's probably what. Did you remember I bought this?
Hey.
Oh.
That one smells good. Smell it.
I haven't had lemon.
Skylar picked that one out too.
I like it, Sky. You already know your mama. Your mama loves
That one,
lemon.
yeah, that one smells good.
Whatever.
Yeah, that one smells good. It's so sour.
Summer, you got one
You
more.
got like
Oh,
this.
she does.
Alright.
This is the one I wanted.
You got that now?
Yeah. Well, I ran out. That's why I was saying I need first.
Mommy.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. I love everything. Daddy, you gonna open yours?
Thank you, sir.
Stop trying to speak.
Oh, I need some.
Can you open these? The girl.
Thank you, Sons.
You're welcome. She's gonna go to the hospital.
Ooh, got me a peppermint with the face mask.
Good.
Ooh, is it pudding?
It's the funny again.
Oh,
Sons.
what you over here doing?
Summer. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, all good gifts.
All the gifts that you want, so you can sneak.
I couldn't talk her out of getting that.
Thank you, Sons.
You're
You
welcome.
can match my red jacket.
It ain't gonna wear no bright red.
Can you open my glove? Is she?
It look good.
I need
I will,
help
so.
opening this. Can you? Destiny is. What is my elf got Destiny?
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna sleep with Destiny tonight. I'm gonna sleep with Ella tonight. Yeah.
Hey.
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 I'm gonna say, it's your girl,
Summer,
Destiny.
she like
It's
she
your
like
girl,
when
Scott.
you talking to the color door. I saw. Hey. Hey.
Now I know how to fight them.
She got a little beak with it and everything. Duet?
Oh, here.
Do we have a duet?
It's your girl, Destiny. It's your girl, Skylar. We're hanging out every day with our daddy. My name is Summer. We're all friends. Everyone is friends with us. We always laugh. We always laugh. We always do stuff that is funny at each other. I know this.
Sing a song. I don't know. Sing a song, Summer.
We gotta hook it up. Did you get
Sing a song. Oh, Bluetooth.
Where is Dad? Destiny.
Yeah.
Destiny.
They don't have no songs of starting on here?
Destiny. Well, mommy too much. And then
Say something.
goes to the.
Say something.
If you want one,
Yeah, it changes your voice. Do it.
I want to try.
Say something.
I want to
Okay, let's do it this one. Say.
What did I say?
Okay, do it again.
It's a girl.
Here we go, Sky. Hey. 1, 2, 3, hit it. Hey.